maybe the another category and we not have done. Compare with a one man room. Y'all carry the kitty come and say the gun.
Yeah, general in a youth. No, no, say alkaline, a general. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tariq Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I was back in effect with another reaction for you guys now. Right now I have Alkaline Burberry people official audio. People, you know about that. People, tear up the like button on this video. Let's get 500 likes on this video right now. Drop a comment in the comment section to see your comment in the next video that I post. So run it up. Run it up. You see me? I say run up the comments them. Tear up the like button. You see me? I say teeth your mother, your brother, your uncle, sister, everybody for now subscribe to the channel right now. I want to say thank you guys for 27,000 subscribers. Yeah, we're growing. The aim right now, we're trying to reach how much for this year? 30k. If first we set the aim to 10k, I'm going to say, Lord, man, on the back 10k, I'm going to fly come at 27 right now. So I'm going to say if I carry 30,000 before the year done. Not it. 3 more to go. 3 more thousand to go. Let's see how this month of September goes. Today's the last day in August. I'm feeling like the Monday morning here. Run, June!
Yo, I'm just the life where we all live.
I know.
Hey, no.
Yo, Ice. The man said life where I live, you know. Why say people? I got this up some people. I see a couple titles, you know. I see a couple things that go on, you know. And I say, yo, they must say the man that this up some man and I show some bosses them a baby to the thing, you know. So I can see what go on, man. Run, June!
Papa buckle a star life to star right. No for them all look fool fall off them alright.
Oh Lord, him start throw subs already. He must say no for them all look for him start. Wow. He must style them up already, no people. He must style them up already, but guess what? Make we go and see where I must say them, man. Cause we not even if you am butty thing, you know. Yeah, this is the boy of them, this is the boy of them. Go on. Kill them with it. Kill them with it.
Them alone want rich things so no smart. Nothing I tell us that I don't know me at
all. And them alone want rich. When you feel so no smart, them don't want to share the formula. But guess what? I find the formula from a long time. They think them smart, you know. You see me? I not call no name, you know. Until they call somebody name. Run, June!
And them can't go around the glory, no car we know she want. See that building top there and chuck off. You know want to see me rich like I am when we pass.
Him tell him to go check off for the building top over there. So go check off for Bumbleclat NCB downtown. Go check off for the Diesel downtown. You see me I say? Go check off. Go on. You deal with them so. Go on.
Nothing I tell us that I don't know me at all. And them can't go around the glory, who come here to go fast. Red pan runway, step for taking.
Him not just only this up. No one person. The whole of the dirty bad man jealous people them out there. You see me I say? Well, we don't like him. Basically. Dust them off. Done them off. Grab out them face. Deal with them alkaline.
I'm a style to kill them. Now when you're Burberry. My married on the money is anniversary. Y'all want to visit that. Get her ready.
Relax, the one that Burberry married to the money. Bumbleclat is style to kill them. Clat. Yeah. Burberry. Make we see what go on for the chorus now. Yeah. Me puppy band, maybe the another category and we not have done. Compare with a one man room. Y'all carry the kitty come and say the gun. Yeah, general in a youth. No, say alkaline, a general. You see how much flow the man given already and the song just start. And you see how much people the man done already and the song just start. The man say married to the money, you know, people. And it's an anniversary, you know. You know hear what go on. When I hear the lyrics of Alkaline put forth on the biggest them right now. Run, Tune!
And so, not done. Let up on the while I pray. You might not know me, but me know you can't hear me. And me say, bag a cash. Real time, me prefer that instead of bag.
I don't know if you bomb like this up little. You could hear that them. Youth, you might not know about him, but guess what Alkaline say? Your catty must know about him. The girl who you ask, your catty must know about him. So go on like you don't know about it, but your catty must know. My blood clot, Alkaline. Them for wait them turn. Dirty bad mind if you wait your turn. And licky it will burn you. Bumbleclat, Run, Tune.
Tell myself yesterday I can forget one of that. Seven rise will never drop man I go turn it up. I'll make it go on rich things so no smart.
Yeah, me like it. People want to think about the song now. I don't know go over yesterday, dog. You say if you don't want to listen to the full song for yourself, if you don't have a problem with me pausing your song, giving my reaction, which you don't click on the video for. Want to support the artist again by clicking the link to the original song down below and go listen to it for yourself, no? Go to there for the reaction, boss, right? Yeah! So we are run through here, man, and start. Let's say, me say, run through.
Nothing I tell us, don't know me attack. And if can't go around the glory, no car will not shroud. When we take it out, naturally.
Alright, hold on. See me go start now, you know, people. Second Bumbuckler verse I go start now, you know. You do me and say, so people dead now, you know. Me I try to stop cause the Bumbuckle belt them, you know, people. Instead of saying the cloud, I go say buckle belt. Buckle belt, Tyreek. Clean up the act. Have kids to watch. Right through now.
Mama sit it out, mama stands out like the black sheep, but on the sheep it is a damn goat. But don't go no jalopy, burn them out to sweet.
You hear that? You hear what go on right there, so? When you hear me, I run back a little bit and I want to make sure, say, when you get everything when I put out the tone on it, me I say, I want to hear the whole of the lyrics, them, you know. Deal with it now, Alkaline.
Full package, man, I deliver, make it fun shout. Bad man settings, dad. What I tell the bartender, I'm say I shellings, dad. This creates
bad man settings. Now me say the bartender get a fat tip. You see me I say, some man got a bar in the dog, they not even tip the bartender, them in a dog and them thing there. You see me I say, fat. Not even say fat. Tell the bartender say a bad man setting. Maybe she not even get no money to blood clot about tip. Right, John?
back in on me XPS, right down on XPS. I'm a king, go to my steppings down.
Yeah.
Greatness so gallant. Future looks so bright, don't see nothing for styling.
When you hear that, the man saying future is looking so bright right now. He not say nothing at all to stall it. Nothing at all to stop it. You do me I say? The man still the picture, the man still the plan. Me feel say them when Friday man just start from high school days in the dog. In this way I go for already in a dog. He make you move and go so boom with the eye thing in the dog and go so boom in the dog and do the ear thing, go so boom with the color thing and go so boom and tattoo and thing. And now boom, boom, take out them there, boom, get lax. Yeah. Me feel say I'm playing them thing a long time. Run through.
One way team for up and have a dollar in your wallet. I'm going on the food, we'll get to cash out. If I try me go the road, crash and mash up where the hardest. Care what them I say, still like a flash for them.
I care what them a blood clot. Hey, I can't want to bad. Hey, you see right now, everybody who support the Veneta Cap, people drop some fire emotion in the comment section and drop the Veneta mask them too. You hear me I say? Nobody have one or two comment in the comment section because we not play number two. You see me I say if you play one in lame. So I want 3 or 4 or 5 comment from everybody right now. We are going for 5 bills comment per that video alone. 500 comments in our post reaction and later in around 2 days after my post reaction, you know. You hear me I say? I want 500 comment right now in the comment section because what? We not support the Veneta Camp. Drop them right now. Run through Tyree.
It's the fuck some mad girl, I make a party with my dog. Yeah. So try fuck up my food, I make a use the as a target. So I started.
Well, man say knock some hot girl. Then I go party. Let me hear what you say while I got that alcohol. Because I think years ago, you know.
So I started them ask for them regardless. The fuck some mad girl, I make a party with my dog. So try fuck up my food, I make a use the as a target.
You hear this now? This is what the man saying, you. The man say him knock some hot girl. Then him go party with them dogs them basically, you see me I say. And if you try fuck with the meds, him go use it as a target. Because what things on the baby, what?
So I started them alone, one rich things so no smart. Nothing I tell no set down on me a dance. We can't go on the glory, I can't no show. We'll take it out.
I don't think about the song, people. I'm down below in the comment section. You see me I say, remember, if you have 1 or 2 comments at the comment section, 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 comments right now. You see me I say, so drop some more for emoji. If you comment already, you want to comment again, drop some more for emoji. Drop a Veneta mask. I drop a flag for yourself. You see me I say, I know so everybody watch from all over the Bumbuckle belt world. You see me I say, so drop your flag, which part I represent. You see me I say, you see me? Big up on yourself. It's been about Terry Vlogs. Peace out.